Alright, what's going on everybody? So today, I'm going to be looking at how to remove tree sap. And this is not using any type of typical detailing product to remove it, but we are going to follow it up with detailed products after it's removed. So I'm going to show you the before on this truck. It is absolutely awful. It's covered up with tree sap. This truck is a work truck. It's used as a work truck. And I'm going to show you here, as you can see, I mean, this is bad. But as you can see here, there's tree sap all over this thing. And it sits underneath pine trees. So the camera's adjusting, so it's fogging up on me. So, but I'm gonna try to keep it clear and keep it wiped off as it's adjusting to the temperature here. It's very, very hot. It's very, very humid. And where we're at. So, got it right here. It's on there. As I walk around, you can see how dirty this truck is. See this tree sap all up here. Now, if you have tree sap like this on your vehicle, you need to get it off as soon as possible, because what will happen is that the tree sap will take the clear coat with it when you remove the tree sap, and or to permanently stain it. So something to kind of keep in mind. So what I'm going to do, I'm just showing you how much is on here. I mean, this is a tremendous amount of tree sap. So what I'm going to be using is clean strip acetone. Make sure you have your nitro gloves and 1 or 2 rags. Could be microfiber, could be terry cloth, what have you, but just realize after you use this rag, or if you whatever you use to get this tree sap off, throw it away. So, all right, so we see this tree sap right here. Watch what I'm gonna do. Take that acetone. Key thing to know with this is noxious. Make sure that you do it in a well-ventilated area, and make sure to realize that after you use this, it's not only getting off the tree sap, but also it's taking off any type of wax or anything else that you have in that area. It's taking it off. Do not get this acetone on any of your black plastic trim or any of your stickers. Nothing else besides paint and glass. Exterior glass, to be specific. Golly. All right, so just wrapped up on this F250, and I'm going to show you the results here. And as you can see, the tree sap is gone, and it looks 100 times better. Gorgeous. Even though what the truck looked like before, you will understand if this is a 100% improvement. Come over here and show you from the distance what this truck looks like now. And voila. Turned out amazing. All right, y'all, so see y'all in the next video. We're gonna be heading to the next town. We'll be taking care of a jet, semis. What's next? Wait, and you'll find out.